Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Everything. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve to your computer. Now this tutorial is on Windows 11, but it should generally be the same for Windows 10, 8 and 7. So if you are on any of those versions as well, give this tutorial a go. It is the same premise. So first of all, we're going to want to open Google Chrome and we're going to want to Google DaVinci Resolve. Now, if you don't want to Google it, I will leave a link down in the description so you can get the link straight to this website and install it. So click on DaVinci Resolve 18 from Google and it will take us to the Blackmagic website where we can download DaVinci. So what you're going to want to do is just scroll down very slightly until we see these two buttons here. Now the first button will be the free download button and the second button will be the buy now. DaVinci Resolve is free, however if you want more of the advanced features which come in DaVinci Resolve Studio, it is £245. However, you can just download it for free and get the free version, which is brilliant in itself, just by clicking the free download now. Click on that and you're going to want to select what computer you're on. Once you see this page, you're going to want to click download on the left hand side where it says DaVinci Resolve 18.6. This number may be slightly different depending if you're watching this in the future. It may show you a future version. So just to select the version that you are currently on. So I'm on Windows, so I'm going to click that button and it's going to ask me for some details. Once you've filled in all of the details, you're going to want to go to the bottom right and click register and download. Then it should automatically download to your computer. As you can see at the top right here, it is currently downloading. This may take a couple minutes depending on your Wi-Fi speed because this is quite a big file. It's 2 gigabytes, so we're just going to want to let that download. So while this is downloading, you can just use your computer as normal. Oh, and by the way guys, make sure to like the video and subscribe if you find this tutorial helpful. Okay, so now it's nearly finished downloading. So here we go, it's now done downloading. What you're going to want to do is click on where it says DaVinci Resolve, where this has been downloaded. And you're going to see here this file. You're going to want to double click this. It may take a second to open just because it is quite a big file. However, just be patient, let it load. If you have an older machine, it may take longer. If you have a newer machine, it should be quicker. So once it's finally started to open, you're going to see this page here where it says extracting. It's currently just extracting all of the files that it needs to set up DaVinci Resolve. So just let this load, don't click cancel, don't close any of the pages, just let it do its thing. Next you're going to see something that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? What you want to do is just click on yes. Next, this page should pop up that says DaVinci Resolve Installer. So this is where we can actually select which parts of DaVinci we want to install. So I'm just going to keep this on all of the default settings. You can install the Fairlight Audio Accelerator utility if you want. However, I just like to install the bare essentials rather than any additional things. So just click on install. And you're going to see this page. It's just going to take a couple minutes to install. So just let that install now. This may take a couple minutes to install. You can do other things on your computer while this is installing. However, it is probably best you don't do anything else and just let this install. Not only will it slightly speed up the process, but it will just ensure that nothing does go wrong. Okay, and then you're going to see this page here that says welcome to the DaVinci Resolve Setup Wizard. What we're going to do is we're just going to click on next. Now this page here is agreeing to the end user license, so you just want to click tick and then you want to click next. You can read it if you want, however, if you don't want to, you can just click tick and move on to the next one. Click next here, and then we're also going to want to click install. And this is going to start installing DaVinci Resolve. So this, we actually have a taskbar this time that actually shows us how far along it is from being installed. Once again, a newer computer will install this faster compared to an older computer. Just be patient, let it install, and eventually it will be done. So I'll cut back to you guys when we're moving on to the next step. You may see a couple things pop up as you install this. Just let it be, don't close anything, just let everything do as it needs to. So once it's done, you're going to see this page here that says completed the DaVinci Resolve Setup Wizard. And don't click this box, you just want to click finish. So it is going to say here that you need to restart your computer to complete the installation. If you want to restart it now, just click yes. If you do not, then click no. I'm going to click no for now. Installation complete. So restart your computer and that should be everything installed, and you can start using DaVinci Resolve. Anyways guys, that's how you install DaVinci Resolve to your Windows 11 computer. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching How to Everything.